Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to turn on and off your incognito mode on Google Maps. So first of all, you click on Google Maps. At the top right, you click on your profile picture, and then here you click on turn on incognito mode, which is just below your email or your profile picture. You click on turn on incognito mode, and then you click on close. Basically, incognito mode is made so that you are not able to save your recent activities and searches on Google Maps. It's like a private mode so that even if people come across your phone or your tablet, they're not able to view your searches or your recent activities. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.